I think we started with working on the number because we identified the longer-term opportunities that comes out from the stronger link between Greater China and ASEAN. If you look at macro trends, Greater China and ASEAN together is going to continue to contribute more to the world's GDP growth. And if you look at the trade numbers for the last 4 years, China and ASEAN, they're going at a CAGR of 13%. So if you look at short-term setback or whatever because of slower economic growth in certain countries, which we have experienced, in particular over COVID, we're still confident that in the longer run, as we put our acts together, and with some of the investment that we have done over the last few years to improve the way we deal with customers digitally, to improve the way we capture customers' businesses and generating the income, then that's where we start to say, hey, we were able to, based on what we have and based on the opportunity presented, we'll be able to have incremental revenues in that sense. So from the target, obviously we have initiatives that our business people and the back office are all working together to say that, hey, now we're enabled to do this. That's why this part of the thing, we can do more, and that's where the incremental revenue coming from.
Risks like recession, inflation, interest rate increases, they all still remain in the market. How is OCBC placed for the second half?
I think the high interest rate environment has been helped some of the commercial bank as we have improved NIM, and so we have improved net interest income. But of course, the uncertainty have caused the fee income to be lower. In a certain sense, because we're diversified, we have insurance income as well. So likewise, when one side doesn't work in particularly well, potentially because of the diversification, we're able to continue to grow. So second half is a bit uncertain, but I think interest rate was perhaps potentially stay at the current level or a little bit higher. But we've really seen that customers are preparing for it, and I think so. I think for the second half, we probably will be quite stable.